Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today I'm just going to give you guys a quick update. If you follow the channel or if you're looking for information about the Civic, this is just a quick video I'm going to do with the update for the headlights. Alright, I would say over a year ago I updated the headlights from the stock halogens, and what I did was I put on the Hikaris. I think originally I went to these Diode Dynamics SL1s, but I just had too much glare with the reflector housing. And I went to these Hikaris. I like them because I can actually make adjust the beam as adjustable beam with it. So once I calibrated it, it's been perfect so far. I've been running with these lights for over a year. The spread of the light is good. They haven't gave me any issues, but they've always turned on right away. So just to give you a quick update. Also, what I did was I changed my fog lights too. I wanted to see how these fog lights would go. Fog lights have been doing well. They match headlights appropriately. So let's take a look at these. All right, so this is the headlights, and you can see no glare. Even at this, me squatting down low, there's hardly any glare until I get way down in here. So that tells me that the headlight is still, I still get the solid line. Fog light looks pretty good. They match. I can link these into the description if you guys are interested. But they are, for the price, I think I paid like $35 for these headlights. And I want to say probably about the same for the fog lights. It was not a bad upgrade. So those who are considering it, I highly recommend it. I'm gonna show you guys some night shots at the end of the video, just how it looks at night, which is with the spread. The fog lights are kind of hard to tell with them at night because the fog lights, even with the stock, but it does put out a lot more light, a little bit more light on the ground, so it helps out. But I wanted basically something that matched. Also, too, I tried this mount. Obviously it should have been a blend mount, but I did not do that. But this is, they call it mirror mount. I mounted it to the rearview mirror. This is my Uniden R1. So I thought I'd give that a try. For the price, considering $100 for blend mount, I did do that. Obviously to dash camera, did that a while ago, probably when I first got the car. Just running wires up here. If you guys are interested in seeing the video on how I did the dash cam install and which fuses I did, let me know. I'll make a video. I'll let you know where I did also the hard wire on the radar detector if you guys are interested in that too. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you want to see a little more with the Civic, let me know in the comments. I'll see about making the video with these lights. Just want to give an update because a lot of times you see a product and then you think that, oh, that's just great, but then before you know it, you don't know how it holds up long term. So this is it. If you guys want to see radar detector, hardwired instructions, I can do that as well. All right guys, thanks for watching.